OpenCV is an open source library for the computer vision. It provides the facility to the machines to recognize the faces or objects. And in this video, we will learn the concept of OpenCV. OpenCV was first started at Intel in 1999 by Gary Bradsky, and the first release came out in 2000. And later it was managed by the Intel's Ration Software OpenCV team, led by Vadim Pisaresky. And its OpenCV supports a wide variety of programming languages like C++, Python, Java, and is available in different platforms because it's open source. That's why it supports a lot of language, lot of platforms like Windows, Linux, OS X, Android, and iOS. It's a open source library which is used for computer vision in artificial intelligence, machine learning, face recognition, etc. And it also makes use of NumPy. When we install OpenCV, it automatically installs NumPy. It's a highly optimized library for numerical operations with a MATLAB style syntax, and it uses the array structure which are converted to and from NumPy arrays. This also makes it easier to integrate with other libraries that use NumPy such as CPy and Matplotlib. In OpenCV, the CV is an abbreviation form of computer vision, which is defined as a field of study that helps computers to understand the content of the digital image such as photographs and videos. Now first we understand the computer vision. When we see this image, we can say without even thinking that this is an image of an dog. For example, even 8-year-old kid would not have any problem identifying the dog in the image. Have you ever wondered how a computer sees the same image? A computer sees an image as zeros and ones. Pixel is the smallest unit in an image. When we take a digital image, it is stored as a combination of pixels. As you can see in the picture, its image is stored in the form of matrices. It is stored as a combination of pixels. Each pixel contains a different number of channels. If it's a gray image, it has only one pixel, whereas if it is a colored image, it contains three channels. That is, you can see in the right side of the pic, it's red, green, and blue. Three channels are in colored image. You can see each channel of each pixel has a value between 0 and 255. Each of these values represented in binary before a computer can understand the image. A machine or a computer can be taught how to understand an image and say what the image contains. For example, machine learning. Teaching a computer to understand and describe an image, it is similar to how we teach kids to identify different alphabets or differentiate between an apple and a banana by showing examples of each case. This is exactly how a computer learns to identify objects in an image. Like humans have different skills, and one of the skills is to identify an object in an image. Computers have machine learning models which can be thought of as a skill to perform the same task. As humans need to be trained to perform a particular skill, computers need to train the machine learning models as well. Now the second thing is about what is NumPy in Python. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It's a library consisting of multidimensional array objects and a collection of routines for processing those arrays. Using NumPy, mathematical and logical operations on arrays can be performed. NumPy is a Python package. It stands for Numerical Python. It's a library consisting of multi-dimensional array objects and a collection of routine processing for arrays. As it's easy to use and it is very fast compared to lists because NumPy uses fixed type while lists uses include size, reference count, object type, object value, so it needs much more memory. NumPy operations also have some functions which are internally implemented in C++, which makes it much faster than Python. NumPy also provides hundreds of functions for performing operations on array. Some of the operations are includes which includes mathematics, array manipulation, linear algebra, and statistics. This was all about the OpenCV introduction, and I hope you find this video informative. Thank you for watching.